Hey everybody, Hank here, Hank Snow Outdoors. We're about to see a little video shot today, as a matter of fact. I went out fishing for just a little bit and I was joined by my daughter Victoria, and well, you see what we did. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you.
Alright, here we go. Hank here, Hank Snow Outdoors. Hope you can hear me. It is windy as hell right now. So we're gonna just play around here a little bit. I got me a little swim bait, Bitters Naked Swimmer. It's my favorite. Just gonna throw this and a few other things and see if we can get a bite. I don't know. I was told that some kids were catching them, but we'll see what we can do here. Got a strike already. Might get lucky. Might get lucky. We'll see. That was a hit. Yeah, whatever it is, it's not very big. No, that's not very big at all. But it's biting, so we'll catch a little one. I'll be happy with a little fish. No big deal. Tired? Got a couple little hits, but I think the fish are kind of small, so probably gonna a couple more, and then I'm gonna go down. A guy told me that on the tractor that their kid caught a 4-pounder just now, and some other kids caught like a 3-pounder. It's not a good spot to be if I get a bite.
Oh, I don't know how to work that one.
It's just like the spinning rod, only a little different.
Teach me.
I taught Derry Ellis. I teach you. I teach anybody. I taught Alexander. I don't know if I taught him. All right, this one here. Well, slow down, Turbo. Sort of like that, yeah. Keep it bait. That bait you got to keep moving. All right, reel it in, throw again. You got to push the button down if you got to pull line out. Just reel the handle and the button automatically comes up.
I don't think there's any fish here.
They're out a little further.
Oh.
There's a little pile of grass right here.
I would try to go really far.
See the pads out there? Try throwing to them.
Throwing to them?
Yeah. No, come over here. Just see this little pad right. Throw to that one. The little one's been right in there. Just go ahead and throw. There you go, right in that area. Go throw over there.
You told me to throw over there.
Well, I'll throw wherever you want.
Watch my bite.
I'm watching it. All right, one more and then I'm going to move down to the end. Good. You sure you've never done that before?
First time.
Pretty good caster.
Okay.
All right, we're going to move to the end.
I didn't get
The only reason I stopped here was because of the lily pads. I just wanted to throw a couple.
this lily pad.
You remember this place? This is where you caught your first fish.
Yippee.
Right in here.
Should have brought sunglasses.
Maybe. Get wet?
Yeah. After you, can I go?
Yeah.
You should have brought two.
I didn't know you were going to fish.
I always do. Let it blow away.
All right, again. There you go. Let me see the line on the reel. Yeah,
Did it get tangled?
it's going to.
Sorry.
It isn't easy to use this in the wind. Not your fault. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Reel that fish in. Reel that fish in. Reel that fish in. Come on, girl. Reel down. Pull it up. Reel it down. Pull it up. Reel down. Come on. Holy crap. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that monster.
That's massive.
Look at that monster.
I did it.
Hey, good job.
Yay. That was a workout. I'm wet.
All right, get the rod's on my ear.
Sorry.
All right, bring me the bag real quick. Drop it down. Bring me the bag. Open the front pouch. Look at that fish.
That's massive.
That's a 3+. No, I need a pair of pliers. Yeah.
Don't die on me, fish.
2.18.
2 pounds?
2.18 pounds. Look at that.
That's the biggest fish I've ever caught.
2.18 pounds. Good job, Victoria. You want to throw it back?
No, I don't want to touch it.
You don't want to touch the fish. Look at that. Nice.
Is that the first fish?
That's the first fish, the most fish, and the biggest fish. Nice job. Nice job. Oh wow. I gotta post a video tonight, right?
Yeah, that's the first time I've used that rod.
This is the first time ever using this rod, yes.
I think that might be the biggest fish I've ever caught.
I think so. The fish you caught here before was small.
That hurt my hand.
It's hard, right? See, what I do is I hold 2 fingers up here. You were holding 1. 2 is a little better for me. My hand is bigger too. Wow. 2.12 I say, or something like that?
2.18.
2.18.
Almost 3 pounds.
2 1/4. Nice.
Let's see if you can catch a fish.
Yeah, thanks. See if I can catch a fish. So far I haven't.
You know, you might not be able to hear anything with all the wind.
It actually will record pretty decent considering the wind. It was just as bad the other day when I went out. Oh. And it picked up my voice pretty good. You could hear.
Okay, everybody, that's the end of the video. We didn't do anything else the rest of the day. We went to several of the places, but there's nothing to show you, so we're going to end it here. I hope you enjoyed the video. And once again, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Well, until next time, talk to you later. Bye.